Welcome to TTS 2.0, Hyderabadi special mutton marag recipe. Chef Md Alamraza Khan restaurant style homemade recipe. Mutton marag is a delicious, mildly spiced mutton soup-like dish that is a favorite in Hyderabadi cuisine, often served at weddings or special occasions. Here's a step-by-step recipe to prepare it. Ingredients: mutton, preferably with bones, 500 grams. Onions 2 medium-sized, finely sliced. Green chilies 4 to 5, slit. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Yogurt 1/2 cup, whisked. Cashew nuts 10 to 12, soaked and ground into a paste. Coconut powder 2 tablespoons. Fresh cream 2 tablespoons, optional. Cardamom 4. Cinnamon stick 1 inch. Cloves 4 to 5. Black peppercorns 1 teaspoon. Bay leaf 1. Ghee, clarified butter, 3 tablespoons. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Coriander leaves 2 tablespoons, finely chopped, for garnish. Salt, to taste. Water 4 to 5 cups. Steps: 1. Marinate the mutton. Clean the mutton pieces and marinate them with salt, ginger garlic paste, and lemon juice. Keep it aside for 30 minutes. 2. Preparing the base. Heat ghee in a deep pan or pressure cooker. Add cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, black peppercorns, and bay leaf. Fry them for a few seconds until aromatic. 3. Cook the onions. Add the finely sliced onions to the pan and saute until they turn golden brown. 4. Add the mutton. Now, add the marinated mutton to the pan and cook on high flame for 5 to 6 minutes until the mutton changes color. 5. Add yogurt and cashew paste. Lower the flame and add whisked yogurt, ground cashew paste, and coconut powder. Stir continuously to avoid curdling and let the mutton absorb the flavors. 6. Simmer. Add slit green chilies, salt, and water. Let it simmer on medium heat for 30 to 40 minutes or until the mutton becomes tender. You can also pressure cook it for 4 to 5 whistles. 7. Add cream, optional. Once the mutton is fully cooked, you can add fresh cream for a richer texture, optional. 8. Final touch. Adjust the consistency by adding more water if needed, as marag is usually a soup-like dish. Sprinkle chopped coriander leaves and turn off the heat. 9. Serve. Serve the Hyderabadi mutton marag hot with naan, rumali roti, or any bread of your choice. Enjoy the rich, flavorful, and comforting mutton marag. Please subscribe YouTube channel TTS 2.0. Please like and share. Thanks for you.